Hello children, welcome to Busy Bees channel. Today we are going to write a short passage. It's like a short story on the phonics, that is blend, BL blend. First please write the date and write the heading as phonics story, and the blend is BL, that is blur blur blur. Okay, let's start writing. Please sharpen your pencil. And the name of the story is Blaine likes blocks. Blaine likes blocks. That is, in the name of the story we have blocks, that is, you can see the blend BL, blur blend. Okay, let's start writing the story. Blaine likes blocks. I think you all know what is blocks, the building blocks which you all will be having and you used to play with it. He likes, LIKES, likes blue blocks, BLOCKS, blocks. He likes blue blocks. Here, after writing the passage, we can underline all the blends. He likes blue blocks. Now the third sentence, you can go for a different line, or if you have space you can continue in the same line as well. He likes black, BLACK, black blocks. He likes black blocks. Fine. Now the next sentence, see, he likes blue blocks, he likes black blocks. We can make it as a single sentence using the conjunction and. He likes blue blocks or black blocks. You can write blue blocks and black blocks, or black blocks and blue blocks. He likes black blocks and blue blocks. Here we can learn about the conjunction and as well. He likes blue blocks, he likes black blocks. Instead of writing it as two different sentences, we can make it as one single sentence by using the conjunction and. He likes black blocks and blue blocks. BLUE, blue blocks. BLUE, blue blocks. Fine. So this is the first passage. Blaine likes blocks. Blur, blur. Let's underline all the blur blends. And blue, blocks, blur, and black, blur, blocks. See, I have underlined all the blends, blur blends. He likes black blocks and he likes black blocks and blue blocks. All the blur blends I have underlined. You can also do the same. And the next passage. Blake likes blue birds. BIRDS, birds. Blake likes blue birds. He likes blue jay, BLUE, blue jay. It is a bird. He likes blue jays. He also likes black, BLACK, black birds. He also like black birds. So let's make the two sentences into one single sentence. He likes, we will use the conjunction. He likes all kind. He likes all kinds of blue and black birds. He likes all kinds of blue and black birds. So here and is the conjunction, and let's underline all the blends, blur blends. Blake, blue, and blue jays, blue. He also likes black birds. He likes all kinds of blue and black birds. Fine? Yes. The same way you also underline the blends. Today we have learnt about BL blends, that is blur blend. Blending is nothing but the mixing of two sounds, the two letters, their sounds were blended together nicely, and when we blend it together it sounds like blur, that is blur blend. So hope you all have completed. Blaine likes blocks, he likes blue blocks, he likes black blocks, and he likes blue blocks and he likes black blocks are the two sentences, and I am going to use the conjunction and I am going to make it as one sentence, that is he likes black blocks and blue blocks. Here and is a conjunction, and the next one is, you can also underline the conjunction. Blake likes blue birds, he likes blue jays, he also likes black birds. He likes all kinds of blue and black birds. Yes, here also I will underline the conjunction and you also underline all the blends. Okay children, Please post me the pics after finishing. So please like the video and subscribe our channel. Please like the video if you like the video. Blaine like blocks. Blaine like blue blocks. He likes black blocks. He likes black blocks and blue blocks. And Blake like bluebirds. He likes blue jays. He also likes blackbirds. He likes all kinds of blue and black birds. And today we have seen about blur blend and also about the conjunction and how we use the conjunction and we can make the two different sentence and you can make it as one single sentence using the conjunction and. So let's learn something new every day. Okay, this is today's thought. Learn something new. Okay, bye children. Please like the video and share me the pics. Bye.